Over, go big, go right, go round, boom. Hi guys, it's Adam Atkins here. I'm going to show you how to ball up some pizza dough. What we've got here, we've got the simple dough recipe. You can find this on Gozney.com. And we're going to divide it up into dough balls. Firstly, what we're going to do, we're going to get our dough cutter, and we want this into about 240 to 250 gram portions. So we're just going to slice the dough. There we go. So I've cut these up into what looks like the ideal size and shape for making a pizza in rock box, about 240 to 250 grams. So we're going to give them a weight. That one's 246, 247. Nice. We're at 226. Just pinch a little bit off your other dough ball, your other dough mass, so you get what you want. 248. There we go. Last one. That one's 200, that's fine. You're going to want to form quite a nice tight dough ball, nice skin on the top. So the way I do it is I slightly pinch it together, and I'm using my finger here, my thumb. I'm pinching it, and then this finger, this one, I'm just pinching it underneath. And as I'm doing that, I'm rolling it, and I'm tightening it, and rolling it, and sealing it into a ball. And then when you're finished, you just pinch it off like that, and it's done. You can give it a little roll on the surface. You can always bring it in towards you like this, and you've got a nice, tight, fully sealed dough ball. If you're not confident about doing that, you can just get it on your work surface, roll it over on itself, and again, and just keep pulling your hands underneath. Do it like this as well, and you've got that nice tight skinned dough ball. When you've balled up your dough, you might find that your dough balls are a little bit lumpy. So what you're going to want to do is just let it rest a little bit, like 5-10 minutes, come back to it, and it would have smoothed out nicely, and you can just like finish them off, because you want to get a nice surface tension on the dough ball. Yeah, and you want it to be smooth like this. Okay, so you finish balling your pizza dough, just going to put them in a nice sealed tray with a lid and leave them to ferment as per the recipe you used. And that's how you ball pizza dough.